put all this in perspective, this project in California is the most ambitious rail project in the entire Western Hemisphere. It expects to carry 31 million passengers a year.
We have a no yelling policy at these meetings.
Excuse me. Am I talking to you, Pinhead?
Will be 100% powered by renewable energy. And once again, this project is about jobs.
So those were pity laughs? Pity laughs?
Wait. It's already created 12,000 good-paying union construction jobs, with thousands more to come. Many of us have pushed for this high-speed rail project in California for a long time.
How embarrassing.
In fact, the very first federal dollars that went out came from the Recovery Act, which was a change which I was in charge of as vice president.
Lies, lies, and more lies, and lies on top of lies.
To help us recover from the Great Recession of 2009. The last administration tried to cancel it. Now,
Boy, if that isn't the pot calling the kettle black.
I promise you, once it's built, they're going to be claiming credit for it.
Damn!